Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing how to buy crypto in Binance. So let's get into the video. First, open the Binance app. You can use the link given in the description to download it, and then press this icon. And I've already logged in, so you can just register yourself and get logged in. After that, go to wallets. You can see the portfolio, and then there are options called deposit, withdraw, transfer. Here what you have to do is go to spot account and then choose TRX Tron and copy the wallet address, Tron address. Successfully copied, and go to an Indian exchange, it is CoinDCX or any other Indian exchange that you're familiar with, and deposit your INR, that is your Indian rupee, like for 1000-2000 rupees, that is your wish, and buy TRX from your Indian exchange. TRX INR. Once you buy, after you buy, go to your wallet, funds, choose withdraw and tranche. Paste your Binance Tron wallet address and enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and once it is successful, go to Binance app again and check the spot account. There you will be getting your trons, and once you get the tron, sell it in USDT pair. Once you sell it, you will be having USDTs, and using that USDT you can buy cryptos in Binance. So Binance is an international wallet or exchange. It is an international exchange, so there are many crypto coins available to buy in USDT pair. The minimum USDT is 10 USDTs to buy any coin in Binance. So make sure that you have sufficient funds to buy cryptos. So this is all guys, and the other method is going with P2P trading. Here other buyers and sellers, like other traders, sell their USDT at a reasonable price, but I don't suggest you this because we can't trust anyone. So but there are some people, like the verified one, you can purchase it from them through UPI or PhonePe, Google Pay, like that. But my suggestion is go with the Indian exchange. But remember one thing, if you buy trons from Indian exchange, the price will be higher because they had taxes and all in Indian exchange. But when after you transfer the TRX from Indian exchange to Binance app, the value of the trons will decrease because in international market the value will be lesser than Indian market. So make your choice where to buy. That's all guys. Thank you.